Now we are shifting our focus to developments that we are tracking from the world's largest spiritual gathering in Prayagraj, where Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister discussed ways to improve the Kumbh experience with many saints and sadhus. We have spoken with the Mahant Dharmendra Das of Baba Akhada Udasin, who has shared the details of his conversation with Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath. He in fact also mentioned that 40 key topics, including the unity among people and those people who are coming to attend and witness the beauty and the grandeur of Prayagraj, are being in fact discussed, and the promotion of the Sanatan Dharma from this platform to give a larger message. He stressed the need for the land allocation for Dharma Khadas and cleaning the Ganga to improve the devotee experience. Mahant Das also outlined the deadlines for the state to address the saints' demands. Finally, he invited the people from around the world to participate and seek blessings. My colleague Arzu Seth. All right, let's take a listen.
Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath had a conversation with the Sadhu and Sants in the Prayagraj at the Mahakumbh 2025, which is going to held. And regarding that, there was suggestion that were given by the Sadhu and Sant and the Mahant of the Akhadas. Mahant ji, क्या कुछ suggestion जो है that you have given to the Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath?
ये very important matter and decided because unite nations and all akhada and the Yogi Adityanath ji very important चर्चा in अखाड़ा जो हमारी परंपराएं धरोहर हैं उसको बचाने के लिए विश्व धरोहर के रूप में हम अखाड़ों की मांग करते हैं और जितने भी साधु संत हैं उन लोगों ने इस अखाड़े को विश्व धरोहर के रूप में मांगा है और जितने भी मुद्दे थे लगभग 40 वो लिस्ट मैं आपको दे दूंगा और वेरी यूनिक चर्चा ये जो हम लोगों के मध्य हुई तो ऑल पीपुल कम इन प्रयागराज कुंभ मेला और ज्वाइन एंड मेन रोल जो हम लोग कर रहे हैं जो इसमें होगा वो एकता के ऊपर होगा यूनिटी के ऊपर होगा ऑल सनातनी यूनाइट एंड मेला और ज्वाइन एंजॉय। जय श्री कृष्ण।
अगर बात करें तो क्या कुछ मैसेज दैट द उत्तर प्रदेश चीफ मिनिस्टर हैज गिवन टू ऑल द साधु एंड संस एट दिस मीटिंग?
यूनाइट रहें और सभी एकतापूर्ण रहें, अधिकारियों के साथ समन्वय है, कोई भी मेला में किसी प्रकार का किसी को कोई कष्ट ना हो। साधु संत जो भोजन पानी कराते हैं वो पूरा खिलाने पिलाने का ध्यान रखें और आपके मीडिया को मैं जो मांग हुई है उसका फोटोग्राफ्स व्हाट्सएप कर दूंगा तो आप देखेंगे। ये आप देख लें, नंबर 1 आप देख सकते हैं, नंबर 2
थोड़ा सा इसके बारे में अगर बता देंगे तो बेहतर रहेगा।
मैं बोल देता हूँ, आप जितने भी आपके दर्शक हैं थोड़ा हिंदी समझना पड़ेगा क्योंकि हिंदुस्तान हिंदी से है। मेला क्षेत्र बिना परिचय प्रवेश पत्र वर्जित, गैर सनातनी प्रचार प्रसार बंद, पीपा पुल जल्दी पूरा किया जाए, पक्का निर्माण, रास्तों में चक्कर प्लेट, बिजली पानी शौचालय आवश्यक सुविधा, अखाड़ों प्रशासन संयुक्त मीटिंग, सभी अखाड़ों महामंडलेश्वरों को अतिरिक्त जो शिविर के लिए जमीन है उसको दिया जाए, शहर के यातायात सुचारू रूप से तत्काल चालू, बहुरूपीय साधु प्रवेश वर्जित, सभी अखाड़ों श्रेणी शिविरों सुरक्षा सुनिश्चित, प्रयागराज पूर्ण कुंभ मेला विश्व धरोहर, नाग बासुकी के पास जो गंदे नाले गिर रहे हैं, गंगा जी में जो भी पूजन के संगम से पहले गंदे नाले उनको तत्काल रोका जाए, मेला प्राधिकरण परिसर में सनातन परंपरा पालन हो। मुख्यमंत्री जी को अखाड़ा परिषद बैठक 27 तारीख को जो कर रहे हैं सनातन बोर्ड के ऊपर उस पे उनको निमंत्रण दिया गया है। प्रयागराज के मेला को देखते सुरक्षा व्यवस्था ठीक हो, अखाड़ों के पड़े जितने भी यहाँ पे कार्य अधूरे निर्माण से संबंधित सड़क हो, पानी हो, बिजली हो, खंभे हो, मेला क्षेत्र में जो भी हो 25 दिसंबर तक अखाड़ा परिषद ने डेडलाइन दी है पूरा कर दें ताकि यहाँ पे आने वाले सनातनी को वेरी क्लियर एंड लॉ मैसेज गया है कि इसको तत्काल पूरा करना। अखाड़ों में सजावट व्यवस्था सफाई सबदा कराई जाए, अखाड़ों के मकानों में नियमित सफाई और सुव्यवस्थित सुरक्षा पूरी की जाए, अखाड़ों के संतों को ऑफिस में लाइन न लगाना पड़े इसलिए अधिकारी नियमित अखाड़ों का मीटिंग समन्वय स्थापित करें, महाकुंभ में लगने वाले प्रत्येक संत शिविरों को जगह दिया जाए, प्रत्येक अधिकारी का फोन नंबर सभी शिविर ऑफिस अखाड़े में संतों के पास होना चाहिए ताकि कोई दिक्कत ना हो। और ऑल पीपुल इन सनातन परंपरा वी डिसाइडेड कम टू मेला एंड हैप्पी एंड एंजॉय और कम 2025 कुंभ मेला प्रयागराज कुंभ, कम एंड एंजॉय। जय श्री कृष्ण।
एक मेरा आखिरी चीज ये रहेगी जानने की, क्योंकि हमने देखा कि किस तरीके से आप लोगों ने मांग जो है वो इन चीजों की है और डेडलाइन दे दी है कि हो जाना चाहिए काम। अगर अभी की आप तैयारी देख रहे हैं तो लग रहा है काफी भव्य रहने वाला है इस बार का महाकुंभ। अभी तक की तैयारियों को कैसे देख रहे हैं?
देखिए, अच्छी बात यह है कि ये जो क्षेत्र है बहुत बड़ा किया गया है और इसमें अधिकारी जी जान से लगे हैं, हमारे इतने मजदूर लगे हैं, बिना खाना पीना खाए और धूल चल रही है, धूप के बीच में काम कर रहे हैं, तो बहुत अच्छा काम चल रहा है। हमें लग रहा है कि 20 दिसंबर तक आपको काम धरा पर दिखाई देने लगेगा। बहुत अच्छा काम हो रहा है। प्लीज एंजॉय कुंभ मेला और आइए। आपके सभी दर्शकों को मेरा यही कहना है कि आप कुंभ प्रयाग में जरूर आइए। और ये 26 फरवरी नहीं, ये 28, 29 जितने भी आप देखें तो मार्च फर्स्ट वीक तक मेला यहाँ सजने वाला है। और आपका जो मेला 10 जनवरी से लेके 10 फरवरी तक का एकदम क्रीम टाइम है, तो आप सभी आइए, एंजॉय करिए। और सब काम पूरा हो रहा है, बहुत सुंदर सजावट हो रही, सारे अधिकारी मेहनत कर रहे हैं, संत लगा हुआ है, पूरे मीडिया जगत को बहुत बहुत थैंक यू। और आप सभी लोगों को बहुत बहुत बधाई कि ऐसे कुंभ मेला में आइए, संतों के दर्शन करिए, भोजन करिए। हम लोग बुला रहे हैं, आप पूरे अखाड़ों की तरफ से, मैं धर्मेंद्र दास, श्री महंत, उदासीन पंचायती अखाड़ा बड़ा बंधुआ छावनी की तरफ से आप सबको निमंत्रित करता हूँ। मेले में आइए, स्वागत है आप सभी का।
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। तो दैट देयर यू हर्ड, एंड द साधु एंड संस ऑल आर इनवाइटिंग ऑल द पीपल अमंग ऑल द कंट्रीज टू कम एंड विजिट महाकुंभ 2025। आई एम आरजू सेठ विद वीडियो जर्नलिस्ट हिमांशु नेगी फॉर न्यूज़ एक्स इन प्रयागराज।
Now viewers, the Mahakumbh Mela, which has gone digital this time, the state has set up a digital lost and found center to help and locate the lost precious items and reunite people with the family and the friends. Multiple centers have opened this year, making the Kumbh safer and more secure than ever. The initiative Digital Khoya Paya ensures a comfortable and safe experience for all. The Kumbh Mela has reached new heights with these digital services. Let's now take a look at this ground report.
Lost and found has always been a challenge. A Mahakumbh Mela, once known for the stories of separation, will have a new stories of reuniting the missing people. Yes, you heard it right. I am at the digital lost and found center, which has been set up by the Uttar Pradesh government to reunite the missing people. Let me show you the visuals how it has been set up. As you can see, the Mahakumbh Mela is going digital this time, which is expected to host 40 crore visitors at the Mahakumbh Mela. And this time, the government is rolling out a digitalization plan. For the first time, AI technology, mobile app, chat box, a digital lost and found center, and even a Google navigation will guide the million gathered for the Kumbh Mahakumbh. And also we are showing you these are the preparation that have been made. Also I will request my camera person to move forward and show you all the arrangement that has been set up. And these you can see are the registration desk, and there are multiple registration desks that has been set up. You can also see there has been a camera which will take a photograph of a missing person, or there will be a photograph that will be taken of a missing person, and the announcement will be made at all these centers, and not only the one center but several these lost and found centers will be set up. The high-tech registration system with Digital Khoya Paya Center to reunite person who go missing in the Kumbh fair with families or group. Also, the initiative is a seamless blend of security, responsibility and technology, promising to make the Mahakumbh a safe and the memorable experience. Also, we talk about a high-tech lost and found center will have digital registration for anyone who goes missing, allowing families and friends to locate them more easily. Announcement will also be made at all the centers for all the missing individual. Every lost person will promptly registered with their details will be shared across other lost and found centers and also the social media platforms such as Facebook and X. If a lost individual remains unclaimed for 12 hours, the police will step in and ensure they are taken to a safe place. And there also you can see a screen where the details has also been given, and the details have been registered of a missing person. There you can see this is how the photographs will be taken, and this is the lost and found tracking system. So it has been set up for the people, because every time the lost and found has been a big challenge for the a big gathering like Mahakumbh, the world largest spiritual gathering, and that's why this digitalization, this is an example of digitalization which is taking place here at the Mahakumbh. The screen has been set up. The announcement will be made in different languages so that the people from the different state can also understand what are the announcements being made. Not only this, the people who went missing will also be kept at a safe place. We'll also show you the entire the camp that has been set up, and as you can see, there has been made a several rooms. The first one is the meeting room where the meeting of the officials will take place. Another one is the staff room, where also the crucial meetings will take place. The MIS room, the server room, the medical room. If anybody have the health issues, their treatment will also be taken place here in the medical room. The server room is also there, where the inspection will taken place, the monitoring will be taken place. There is a conference room, women and children waiting room. So especially when we talk about lost and found system or center that has been set up, this is especially for the women, children and elderly. And these are the, you can see the arrangements have been made so that the women and children can stay here if they went missing. So all the preparation has been made. The multiple beds have been set up here at the women and child waiting room. Also there is another room which is called children play area. So if a children went missing, they also have been given a play area. We have been told that the toys will also be kept here for the children so that they can play with them if they went missing. So everything has been made keeping in mind the requirement. And this is the men's waiting room. So there you can understand there has been a separate room that have been made for children, for women, for men. There are around 40 beds that have been set up. The arrangement of around 40 beds have been made. The chairs have also been given. Lights are there in these rooms. The cleanliness have been maintained here, because the Mahakumbh, if we talk about the cleanliness and the green Mahakumbh, is what is kept in mind, and everyone is on the war foot to maintain this and to left no stone unturned in the preparation for the Mahakumbh. These are the counselors' room, store room, and also in front you can see a refreshment room. So the refreshment is also being given to the people who went missing. These are the, you can see the tables have been set up so that people can sit and eat their refreshment. So the arrangement for the refreshment, for the food has also been given for the people who went missing in the biggest gathering of the world, spiritual gathering of the world. So this is the visuals of the Lost and Found Center that has been set up. Not only just a registration, but it is a digital Lost and Found Center that has been set up at the Mahakumbh 2025. I am Arzu Seth with video journalist Manshu Negi for NewsX in Prayagraj.
Now viewers, that was all the news of the nation and the world. We'll continue to track all the developments very closely. Till then, stay with us.